Welcome to Blizzard Brawl.
Thank you, buddy. Man, pro wrestling is hot right now, isn't it? This is my first Blizzard Brawl, and I've watched all of them, and I love them. I love what Dave Hero's done here. And after each one, they just keep getting better and better, and the fans keep getting louder and bigger, and it's pretty damn awesome. But not only is Dave putting on a first-class show and doing such a wonderful job, the real reason that it's a success is because of you. Each and every one of you are true pro wrestling fans. You like your old school stuff, right? That means a lot to me because over 5 decades, 35 years in the business, I have seen and done every single thing possible and imaginable in the pro wrestling industry. And it has been an honor to step in this ring, to step in any ring in front of you, because you make it nice for me. And I love you for that. Thank you. And I know a lot of people come out and say the same thing, but I truly do mean this from the bottom of my heart. Without you, I am nothing. Okay? I am nothing. Where's that young man I saw in the front row that had a Cody shirt on? He had a Cody shirt on. Y'all like Cody? Y'all ready for him to come back? Son, the next time I come into this building, if I ever do again, which I hope I do, you better have a Dustin Rhodes shirt on. Get that crap off. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I love my brother. Thank you very, very much, you guys. 32, 33, 34 years, man. Y'all have stood beside me through the ups, through the downs. You've been there. You have not faltered. You have not failed me. You have showed every single passion, love, and honor to somebody that anybody possibly can. And I appreciate that very much. This is my last year. I'm going to have some more matches, don't worry about that, but I think, and I debated whether or not I wanted to say this when I came out, but I believe this is probably going to be my last year in the business, in the ring. What? 4 more years? Oh my God, no. Jesus Christ. I don't think my knees can take it. I'm gonna have one more match. Don't worry, it's okay, guys. I'm not going right away. Wait, this is my first Blizzard Brawl. I've loved it, man. I've loved every one that I've watched. This one's really special. What a crazy group of people here, man. It's awesome. You guys are... You showed. How about that Layla and Tiffany match? It's a good match, wasn't it? Anyways, thank you for coming tonight. And before you guys leave tonight, if I get a chance, I want to come out here and I want to thank and shake your hands, each and every one of you. Okay, so please enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so very much. Thank you.